Rugged granite cliffs and panoramic views of the Potomac River set the stage for this exceptional estate, which has been described as one of the most beautiful homes on the East Coast. A private lane introduces the gated entrance, which reveals the understated French Provincial architecture of the residence. Custom iron doors introduce guests to a circular rotunda with views to the river and beyond. Designed to capture sweeping views from literally every room, galleries extend in both directions to the public rooms, including the main salon, dining room, and soaring great room. Adjoining the great room, a world-class kitchen by Lobkowitz captures every luxurious amenity, including a breakfast room with 180-degree views of the gardens, outdoor pool, and the river. Nearby is a manager's office with unobstructed river views, and leads to a collector's garage with room for 22 cars. Upstairs, the primary suite encompasses the entire western wing of the second floor and includes a perfectly scaled bedroom with a fireplace, a small quality bath, and a dramatic closet and dressing room. A private corridor leads to 4 additional bedrooms, all with beautifully detailed ensuite baths and stunning views. In the lower level, a game room adjoins a dramatic wine room with a quartz crystal wine cellar and wet bar. Just beyond, an exercise suite overlooks the indoor basketball court, outfitted with professional flooring and an exterior entrance. Just a few steps beyond, a sublime indoor swimming pool and spa are equipped with an LED lighting system. Outdoors, a covered veranda with a fire pit and an outdoor kitchen overlook expansive lawn and gardens. Designed for outdoor entertaining, the central lawn area was designed to accommodate a large tent for 200+ guests. Beyond, an infinity edge pool captures sunset views, and multiple terraces provide ideal vantage points for the truly spectacular views in all directions of the river, abundant wildlife, and the city of Washington beyond. Downtown Washington is less than 20 minutes. The Cliffs residence is unquestionably the finest new estate offering in Washington.